Air pollution, a pressing global issue, results from a mix of natural factors and human activities such as industry, transportation, and biomass burning. Common pollutants like carbon monoxide, nitrogen and sulfur oxides, methane, formaldehyde, ground level ozone, and aerosols affect human health by causing respiratory and cardiac diseases and also premature death. It also contributes to environmental problems like acid rain and climate change. With a staggering 7 million annual deaths worldwide, it is also a cause for reducing average global life expectancy by 17 billion life years. It's a significant public health threat, underscored by its inclusion into 3 Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations. In India, the toll is alarming, claiming 1.2 million lives annually and costing 3% of the GDP. Recent incidents like the thick pollution blanket in Delhi have also started seeing in other smaller cities. We live near to Elur industrial area. Living near Kerala's largest industrial belt poses health and environmental risk despite pollution control measures. While the air usually feels clean in our locality, occasional experience of pollution after rain or cold mornings raise concerns about invisible threats. Examining recent past air quality data within a 10-kilometer radius reveals lower quality. We decided to conduct a survey to check if people are also aware of the air quality. The results reveal that the majority within 2 km notice and smell air pollution, while those in the 2 to 5 km and to 10 km range are less aware of the pollution and its signs. Surprisingly, a significant percentage of the respondents are unaware of both the duration and types of pollutants they are exposed to. And maybe this is the reason, as over 80% do not use any protective measures to minimize the health impact. Air pollution poses a unique challenge. While it's initially noticeable close to its source, it quickly spreads, and numerous pollutants are both odorless and invisible. This creates a problem for individuals to understand their exposure, recognize local pollutants, and determine how long they have been exposed to. Unfortunately, this lack of awareness leads many to skip protective measures against air pollution. Our solution called AirSniff is a web application that uses the free, near real-time and trusted remote sensing data of 7 air pollutants from the Sentinel-5P satellite of ESA. This data serves as the foundation for AirSniff, developed using Google Earth Engine's geospatial processing service. The app transforms remote sensing data of pollutants into a visually compelling color-coded display onto familiar Google Maps. With a straightforward interface and an informative dashboard, users can easily check the presence, concentration, spatial spread, and temporal spread of the 7 pollutants. They can also compare historical trends and compare between dates. Based on a spatial demographic data layer from WorldPop, the dashboard of the app shows the average pollutant exposure on population around a 5 km radius around the selected location. The website of AirSniff gives a detailed user experience of the app. The remote sensing data and the demographic data is available in Google Cloud Data Catalog, and this is our data source. We developed the algorithms and user interface in Google Earth Engine, and it is connected to the data source. And this way, our app makes the invisible air pollutants visible to the public. AirSniff, a testament to teamwork, has come to life through the collaborative efforts of a dedicated team. Aryan Arya spearheaded the research and conducted a pivotal sample survey, laying the groundwork for our solution. The requirements for AirSniff were meticulously curated through insightful brainstorming sessions, efficiently coordinated by Jason, who also led the testing of our web application. Madhave Nair brought AirSniff to function, crafting the user interface, dashboard, and functionalities with expertise in JavaScript on the Google Earth Engine platform. Together, we have created a powerful tool to make air pollutants visible and empower individuals to make informed decisions for a healthier environment. As we take a breath in every 3 seconds, it's essential to realize that in many places, the air we breathe is becoming increasingly polluted. Understanding what we inhale empowers us to take the right steps in reducing exposure to pollutants and encourages collective efforts to combat air pollution. With AirSniff, we strive to bring this awareness to the public, fostering a cleaner and healthier future for all. Thank you.